Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Stock Market Analysis presented by Ray Financial. Today is May 14th, 2016. So guys, I just want to straight jump into the charts. What we have in front of us is Nifty. Now, if you have been following my videos, in the last video I had said that the market is definitely going to go up towards a certain point, and then we will see sideways movement, and that's what exactly has happened. Now, the reason that was happening is because I had certain levels. I'm going to mark them out here in, say, let's just mark it in green. Okay, so it was this, which was 6,000, and this area. It looks much better in the weekly, but this was definitely the area where I felt that the market will start picking up, and the market did pick up. Now what we have to see is till where the market is ready to go. Is it supposed to go more higher, or is it supposed to go lower? Now, based on my analysis, what I feel is that the market has found an area of resistance. Now that area of resistance, I am typically just going with a round figure, is 8,000. If Nifty breaks 8,000, we are definitely going to see Nifty move more towards 8,300 and definitely higher. So today where we are, Nifty stands at 7,814, and what we need to see is we need to see a break above the 8,000 level. Once we see a break above 8,000, we can definitely see the market going to 8,313. Now, what are the chances of the market breaking on the upside, or whether it would be going more on the downside? Now, on the downside, we have a lot of support. Basically, what I mean to say is, let me just remove these and let's focus just on this area. Now, you had seen that I did mark this particular, okay, let me not use the box. I'm going to use a better tool. So I'm going to use the green to show that 6,000, this particular area is from where the market took off. Now I'm going to mark the most important key levels, okay, that we need to see that the market should hold in order for us to know where we are heading. I'll just pull the chart back up because I think I've zoomed in too much. Okay, yeah, this is much better. Yeah, here we are. Okay, so let's go with the green so we know what is the main area that we're looking. Now, if the market comes back into this area, yes, we will see a bounce back, but that's a really long way. It's almost about 1,000 points on the Nifty, which is really a big sell-off. But what we need to see is where is the market going right now. Okay, this is an area of resistance. Now, the reason I'm saying why this area is why this is resistance is because we had this point. Okay, the market went down, came back up, tested it. The market went down a lot. It came back up. It's testing this area once again. So if we break this 8,000, let me just put approximate round numbers. If we break 8,000, yes, the market is going to go up further. And let me mark the upside in, okay, not, let me mark the upside say in this color, in like a sky blue. So if the market breaks, yes, we will see 8,300, 8,352. Probably when we see that, obviously I feel that the market will again come down, because the market is not going to just move straight forward in one direction. It's going to do up and down. But if we break 8,000, my target is 8,352. all right. If we break 8,000, yes, it's a good time to buy, and I would remove profits at 8,350 or 8,300, depending on what kind of a trader you are. Another thing is on the downside. Now on the downside, I'm going to put let's put magenta as a color. On the downside, okay, we have a lot of support. The first support is going to be at this particular point. So if we reach, say, about 7,700, I think we have got a good chance for the market to move, to probably just bounce back. If we break that, then 7,500 is the next support area. Obviously we have these gaps that need to be filled. Mark the gaps. We have this gap, then we have this gap. Obviously even this is a gap, because the market closed down here, it gapped up and we just started to bounce up. So these are the areas of gap fill, but I don't think that it's going to get filled all the way down to 7,000 in May. No ways. I mean, we just have got out of a short-term trend, and we have a support right now. I will mark the support here in I'll mark the support line in white, so you have a clear picture. If you see, this is a support. Now why am I calling it the support? Because we have these little areas that is getting supported, and I will show it to you by marking it in a circle. Okay, so when we started going in an uptrend, we went up, we came down, the blue line was the support. We went up, we came down, the blue line was the support, the circle was the support. Again, we went up, we came down, and there again. So you see, now we are in an uptrend. But again, we have to see whether these candles, whether the market will move up, it will come down, it will take support of the 7,700 mark, I'm believing, and if we will start bouncing back from there or not. If we don't, then we are bound to come back to about 7,500. If we hold support of 7,500, that will be great, or else we will start seeing these gaps to get filled. Now this is my analysis for May. I am not buying or selling at the moment. I have a few stocks which I had given out in my previous videos, and yes, I bought them. I made profit in some, I made loss in some. So the ones which I'm making losses in, I'm just basically buying more. I'm trying to average out. The stocks were already given in my in my previous videos. You can have a look at it. So this is my analysis. I had put a video, I had put a small survey on Facebook. Not many people really participated. The question was basically, what do you feel, whether the market is going up or the market is going down? Now based on me, there was just, I think there was one comment which said down, and I kind of agree with that person. Yes, the market is going down, but not like in a bear. We are not bearish. So as for May, we can expect a little bit downside, and then we might start seeing an upside. Now it really depends if June is going to be positive. It depends on the rains. Stock market is very sentiment on the forecast of the rainy season, the monsoons. So let's just wait back. Let May get over. I will have a good analysis for June. But for right now, let's focus on these areas. We have 7,500, okay, and 8,000. So this is where the market is going to be. If 8,000 breaks, yes, we're going to see an upside. If 7,700 breaks, we're going to see a downside to 7,500. But for now, what I feel that the market is down, maybe because I will share something with you. What we have in front of us is the CFD, Dow Jones 30, the US 30. If you see, this market has just made a head and shoulders. One of my clients, he pointed this out to me, and I was also tracking this a lot, and we are there at the neckline. You see this? If Dow Jones breaks say about 17,500, or if it just breaks this neckline, okay, you guys can you guys can draw your own head and shoulders. If we break Dow Jones, then we can definitely expect Dow Jones to come to 17,000 for sure. So if Dow Jones is going to come down, it's going to create a ripple effect. Obviously the Eastern markets will have the same effect. We'll see Hong Kong, we'll see Nikkei, obviously the European markets, the FTSE. It's just going to have an effect. Probably the sentiment might just get negative. He feels that the market might come down all the way to 15,600. But I am not going that crazy right now, because the very first support that we see is 17,000. So let's not get really ahead of time. Let us see how Dow Jones plays. If 17,500 is broken, Dow Jones is going to come down to 17,000. You might see Nifty coming down to 7,500 levels. I don't think it's going to really break and come down to 7,000 within the month of May, but let's see how it plays out. Well guys, that's it from me. Keep participating. Follow me on Facebook, on YouTube. I put out charts, I put out stock market tips. Obviously I have a clear a page where I have put my disclaimer. Either I am invested in it, or you need to be careful of how you invest in the stock market, as it is risky. But I like to be invested as a swing trader. Buy today, sell after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 2 months. It depends on what my analysis are. But right now, follow us, put in your comments, and if you have any questions, you have details on the screen. Good luck trading, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.